Here's a video of Francine's puppies, who are almost 6 weeks old. They'll be 6 weeks on Friday. One girl and two boys. This is a boy, the long coat, and the long coat girl, and smooth coat boy.
Hello, little boy. Hey. Hey, little boys.
Let's see if I can show their faces. They were just sleeping, so their ears will come up later.
Here's the boy.
And the girl.
Are you shaking?
Okay, so anyway, we're still watching their temperaments to see who's who and what kind of temperaments they have. We'll decide which puppies we'll offer to pet homes in the next few weeks, and any puppies we decide not to keep for ourselves will first be offered to pet homes. I'm sorry, pet homes will be offered to the people who have already placed deposits. You can read about how we sell our puppies on the deposits page of our website, littlepromiseland.com. And I'll put the link for that in the description below the video.